Since the original Jordan 1s were produced exclusively for Michael Jordan in early 1984, Nike Air Jordan sneakers have become the most collected sports shoes in the world. Considered to have given birth to the start of the sneakerhead culture, over 3 decades later, fans, which include influencers, athletes, and celebrities, continue to hunt for the latest colorways and limited edition pairs. In this video, we'll discuss the limited edition Nike Air Jordan releases made available to the masses. Number 1. Nike Air Jordan 2. Eminem. As the title suggests, the gray and black sneaker was inspired by rapper Eminem and features his lyrics drawn across the upper. With only 13 pairs of the Jordan 2 Eminem sneaker released exclusively online, these are a truly rare find. They are currently valued between $3,000 and $4,000. 2. Nike Air Jordan 1. Wings for the Future. Currently valued between $4,000 and $10,000, these Air Jordan YX Dave White sneakers, which come in the gold, white, red, and navy colorway, were limited to just 23 pairs. They were created for charity, with proceeds donated to Wings for the Future and Los Angeles Inglewood High School, but have become very sought after by sneakerheads. 3. Nike Air Jordan 31. Gold. The special edition all-gold Air Jordan 31 was dropped exclusively in New Orleans as part of the 2017 All-Star festivities. The kicks feature a very bright metallic gold upper, embossed Air Jordan branding throughout, and a matching finish on the swoosh. They are currently valued around $3,000. 4. Nike Air Jordan 30. Cosmos released on July 9, 2016 for only $200. The Air Jordan 30 Cosmos, inspired by the annual K54 streetball tournament in Paris, is a limited edition version of Michael Jordan's 30th signature shoe. Today, they retail for double the price. The sneaker features a galaxy-inspired print throughout its knit upper. 5. Nike Air Jordan 7. Miro. These Olympic-themed Air Jordan 7s, inspired by Dona Io Cell, Woman and Bird, a sculpture in Barcelona by Spanish artist Joan Miro, released exclusively in Europe with less than 1,000 pairs. The colorful look of the sneaker is complete with a 9 on the heel, Jordan's Olympic number in 1992. Today, they retail for around $2,000. Want to see the other 5 sneakers on our list? Visit sneakerfortress.com, where we continue to count down the 10 rarest and coolest Nike Air Jordan sneakers of all time. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.